Today we are going back in time to the 1960s to a company that set trends and in part is responsible for the aviation business as we know it. Whilst that airline is no more, we are going to experience a New York City landmark which underwent restoration efforts and today stands as a preserved piece of aviation history, serving as the centerpiece of the TWA Hotel, a modern hotel complex that pays homage to its mid-century roots. So, let's make our way to the TWA Hotel at New York's JFK to pick up the action. The TWA terminal at JFK Airport is an iconic symbol of mid-20th century aviation design. Designed by architect Eero Saarinen, it opened in 1962 as the Trans World Flight Center for TWA. Its futuristic design, featuring sweeping curves and a distinctive wing-shaped roof, quickly became an architectural marvel and a symbol of the jet age. The terminal ceased operations in 2001 when TWA declared bankruptcy. The TWA Hotel was built by MCR Development and opened its doors in May of 2019. This modern hotel complex was constructed on the grounds of the iconic TWA terminal at John F. Kennedy International Airport in New York. The TWA Hotel offers a range of amenities and accommodations designed to provide guests with a unique and memorable experience. From the moment you step inside, you're transported back to the golden age of aviation with mid-century modern decor and nods to TWA's heritage. The hotel boasts over 500 soundproof guest rooms, each featuring retro-inspired furnishings, comfortable beds and sleek bathrooms. Many rooms offer views of the runways for plane spotting enthusiasts. Guests can enjoy a variety of dining options, including the Paris Cafe, which serves up classic French bistro fare, and the Sunken Lounge, a restored 1960s bar located in the heart of the terminal. For relaxation, the hotel offers a rooftop infinity pool with views of JFK runways, as well as a 10,000 square foot fitness center equipped with state-of-the-art equipment. Other amenities include a museum showcasing TWA memorabilia, event spaces for meetings and special occasions, and even a vintage TWA airplane parked outside for guests to explore. Whether you're a history buff, aviation enthusiast, or simply seeking a unique hotel experience, the TWA Hotel offers something for everyone, all the while paying homage to the iconic TWA terminal and the golden age of air travel. The TWA Hotel rooms are designed with a blend of mid-century modern aesthetics and contemporary comforts, providing guests with a stylish and nostalgic experience. Each room features a retro-inspired furnishings, including walnut martini bars, rotary dial phones, and custom-built Saarinen-designed furniture. The bedding is plush and luxurious, ensuring a comfortable night's sleep. The bathrooms are sleek and modern, with walk-in showers and deluxe toiletries. Many rooms offer views of runways, allowing guests to watch planes take off and land from the comfort of their rooms. Overall, the TWA Hotel offers a unique combination of vintage charm and modern amenities, creating a memorable stay for guests.